Misplay's current support guidance says notifications can depend on your device settings, so if push alerts stopped after an update, the first place to check is your phone's notification permissions for Mistplay. By the end, you'll know which settings to check, how to confirm Mistplay can run correctly in the background, and what to do if notifications still don't appear. Start with your phone's notification settings. Find Mistplay in the app list and make sure notifications are enabled. Also check whether your phone has enabled a mode such as Guidito, Not Disturb, Focus, or another setting that suppresses notifications. On Android, notification controls can vary by manufacturer and Android version. Look for Mistplay under Waze app settings, e-apps, Mistplay, when notifications, and make sure the relevant notification categories are allowed. On iPhone, open Settings C, Notifications, a Mistplay, and confirm that yellow notifications is enabled. Check the alert options as well, because a notification can technically be enabled while appearing somewhere you don't normally look. Next, check whether your phone is restricting Mistplay in the background. Android devices can use battery optimization to limit background activity. Open Misplay's app settings and check the battery or background usage options available on your phone. If Mistplay is restricted, removing that restriction can help the app remain active when you're not looking at it. Also check your internet connection. Push notifications require the device to receive data, so switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help determine whether the problem is connectivity rather than Mistplay itself. If the problem started immediately after a Mistplay update, don't assume you need to reinstall the app straight away. First, close Mistplay completely, reopen it, and check whether notifications return. You should also make sure you're running the current version available for your device. If an update is available, install it, and restart the app afterward. If notifications still aren't working, check whether other apps are sending notifications normally. If other apps are also silent, the problem is more likely to be your device's notification settings rather than Mistplay. There's another useful test. Open Mistplay manually and check whether your game activity and rewards are updating. If those features work normally while notifications don't, the issue is more likely limited to notification delivery. If none of these steps fix the problem, contact Mistplay support and explain when the notifications stopped, what device you're using, and which troubleshooting steps you've already tried. The key points are simple. Check Mistplay's notification permission, remove unnecessary background restrictions, and test whether other apps are also affected. Your next step is to open your phone's notification settings and verify that Mistplay is allowed to send alerts. If this fixed your Mistplay notification problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reward guides.